Welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire, where we explore the secrets of wealth and financial freedom. Today, we dive deep into the psychology of money, a fascinating topic that goes beyond numbers and charts to understand the behavior behind financial decisions. Money isn't just a physical object or a number in your bank account. It's deeply tied to our emotions, experiences, and personal beliefs. Understanding the psychology of money helps us make better financial decisions and achieve long-term wealth. The psychology of money can be broken down into several key areas: emotions, biases, habits, and mindset. Let's explore each one in detail. First, let's talk about emotions. Emotions are an integral part of our daily lives, influencing our thoughts, actions, and decisions. When it comes to money, emotions can have a profound impact on how we manage our finances. Emotions play a significant role in how we handle money. Stress, for instance, can cloud our judgment and lead to hasty decisions. When we're stressed about money, we might avoid looking at our bank statements or delay paying bills, which can lead to even more financial problems. Fear, greed, joy, and stress can all influence our financial decisions. Fear might make us overly cautious, preventing us from taking necessary risks, while greed can push us to chase after high returns without considering the potential downsides. Joy can lead to overspending during times of celebration, and stress can cause us to make impulsive purchases as a way to cope. For example, during market downturns, fear can lead to panic selling, while greed might drive us to take unnecessary risks during booms. Panic selling can result in significant losses, as we might sell our investments at a low point, only to see the market recover later. On the other hand, taking unnecessary risks during booms can lead to overexposure in volatile assets, which can be detrimental when the market corrects itself. It's important to recognize these emotional triggers and develop strategies to manage them. Practicing mindfulness can help us stay grounded and make more rational decisions. By being aware of our emotions, we can take a step back and assess the situation more objectively, rather than reacting impulsively. Practicing mindfulness and setting clear financial goals can help mitigate the impact of emotions on your financial decisions. Setting clear financial goals gives us a roadmap to follow, which can help us stay focused and avoid making decisions based on short-term emotions. For example, having a clear savings goal can prevent us from dipping into our savings for impulsive purchases. Similarly, having a well-thought-out investment plan can help us stay the course during market fluctuations, rather than reacting to every market movement. Additionally, seeking the guidance of a financial advisor can provide an objective perspective and help us make more informed decisions. A financial advisor can help us create a comprehensive financial plan that takes into account our goals, risk tolerance, and emotional triggers. They can also provide valuable insights and strategies to help us navigate through various financial challenges. Educating ourselves about financial literacy can also empower us to make better decisions. By understanding the basics of personal finance, we can feel more confident in our ability to manage our money and less susceptible to emotional decision-making. Attending workshops, reading books, and seeking out reliable resources can all contribute to our financial education. Ultimately, by recognizing the role of emotions in our financial decisions and taking proactive steps to manage them, we can achieve greater financial stability and peace of mind. It's about finding a balance between our emotional responses and rational decision-making, so we can make choices that align with our long-term financial goals. Next, we have cognitive biases. These are systematic patterns of deviation from norm or rationality in judgment. Common biases include confirmation bias, where we seek out information that confirms our beliefs, and loss aversion, where the pain of losing is greater than the joy of gaining. By being aware of these biases, we can work to counteract them. For instance, diversifying investments can help combat overconfidence and reduce risk. Habits and behaviors are also crucial in the psychology of money. Good financial habits, such as regular saving and prudent spending, build a foundation for wealth accumulation. On the other hand, poor habits like impulsive buying and not tracking expenses can derail financial plans. Creating a budget, setting up automatic savings, and regularly reviewing your financial goals are effective ways to build and maintain good financial habits. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Your mindset is the foundation upon which your financial success is built. It's not just about the numbers in your bank account, but how you perceive and interact with money on a daily basis. Your attitude towards money can significantly influence your financial success. If you view money as something that is scarce and hard to come by, you may find yourself constantly struggling to make ends meet. On the other hand, if you see money as abundant and believe in your ability to attract it, you are more likely to find opportunities for financial growth. A growth mindset, where you believe that your abilities and intelligence can be developed, can lead to better financial decisions and resilience in the face of challenges. This mindset encourages you to learn from your financial mistakes, seek out new knowledge, and continuously improve your financial literacy. It helps you to stay motivated and persistent, even when faced with setbacks. Adopting a positive and proactive money mindset can transform your approach to wealth building. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by financial challenges, you start to see them as opportunities for growth and learning. This shift in perspective can lead to more innovative and effective financial strategies. One way to cultivate a positive money mindset is by educating yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and follow financial experts who inspire you. The more you learn, the more confident you will become in your ability to manage your finances effectively. Setting clear and achievable financial goals is another crucial aspect of a positive money mindset. When you have specific goals in mind, you are more likely to stay focused and motivated. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Instead of seeing money as a source of stress, view it as a tool for achieving your goals and creating the life you desire. Money is a means to an end, not an end in itself. It can provide you with the resources and opportunities to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and make a positive impact in the world. Practicing gratitude can also enhance your money mindset. Take time to appreciate what you already have and recognize the abundance in your life. This can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a sense of contentment and reducing financial anxiety. Visualization is another powerful tool for developing a positive money mindset. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial success. Imagine yourself achieving your financial goals, living a life of abundance, and feeling financially secure. This practice can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial journey. Finally, remember that a positive money mindset is not just about thinking positively, but also about taking action. Implement the financial strategies you learn, make informed decisions, and take consistent steps towards your financial goals. With the right mindset and actions, you can create the financial future you desire. Understanding the psychology of money is a powerful step towards financial freedom. It's not just about numbers and spreadsheets. It's about understanding your relationship with money and how it influences your decisions. By managing your emotions, recognizing biases, developing good habits, and cultivating a positive mindset, you can make smarter financial choices and build lasting wealth. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much money you have, it's about how you manage and grow it. Consistent saving, wise investing, and continuous learning are key components. Engage with financial communities, seek advice from experts, and never stop educating yourself. Thanks for joining us today on Pamuka Wealth Empire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on your journey to financial freedom. See you next time. And remember, every small step you take today can lead to significant financial growth in the future. Let's recap some actionable tips. First, track your spending to understand where your money goes. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Second, build an emergency fund. Having a financial cushion can protect you from unexpected expenses and give you peace of mind. Third, invest in your financial education. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial blogs and channels. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your money. Fourth, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure you save consistently without having to think about it. Fifth, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Lastly, review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your financial strategy. Stay flexible and adapt to new circumstances. We hope these tips help you on your path to financial freedom. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay focused on your goals. Thank you for being a part of the Pamuka Wealth Empire community. Together we can achieve financial success and build a brighter future. Until next time, take care and keep striving for financial excellence.